Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Granola bars are popular and healthful snack among many individuals who love its flavor and variety. Granola bars can be an excellent source of fiber and protein to help hunger between meals in some occasions. Some, on the other hand, have the same amount of sugar, carbohydrates and calories as candy bars. So it's always better to have a homemade healthy granola bar. Let's see how to do it. So in this homemade granola bar, I have added a variety of seeds. Let's start with sunflower seeds, then some mixed seeds like pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, sabja seeds and little bit of flax seeds, and also added some sesame seeds and some more flax seeds. Roast it for a couple of minutes and keep it aside. Into the same pan, add some rolled oats and roast it for a couple of minutes. These oats are highly nutritious and improves your blood sugar levels, cholesterol, heart and gut health. Now into a large bowl, add these roasted nuts and oats with some puffed rice and give it a mix and allow it to cool down. I've also added some chopped cashews, but you can add almonds, walnuts, even peanuts. Now here I'm adding some grinded dates, some date syrup, and some honey. Now mix everything really well, not with the spatula. Use your hands and mix it really well. Now take any bowl or pan lined with parchment paper. Now add this granola mix into that and press it down nicely. Now instead of making this into bars, you can use these granola mix as it is. You can serve it with some yogurt and it tastes incredibly delicious. Now here I'm adding some dried blueberries, cranberries and some cherries on top and press it down nicely, and you have to refrigerate this for 2 hours until it gets set. I kept it overnight and in the next day morning my healthy and nutritious breakfast bar was ready. You can cut this into small granola bars and you can store it in an airtight container. Our super healthy and tasty no-bake granola bars are ready. So definitely try out the super easy no-bake homemade granola bars and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. To subscribe to our channel and see more fantastic videos, click the logo.